Bonjour! In this video, I will show you how to add a letter inside your glitter pattern in Procreate. You'll need brushes and the color palette from the Creative Vault that contains all the resources I create for my Procreate tutorials. You can get it for free thanks to the link just below this video. Okay, let's go! So first, choose the size of your canvas. In my case, I would use a screen size canvas. We're going to set the background color, go to your Layers panel and tap the background color layer. Select this beige color from the color palette. Now we are going to prepare the area where we are going to place our glitter pattern. To do this, tap the paint icon, calligraphy brush set, and select the monoline brush with a dark color. Create a circle shape. Hold your Apple Pencil a moment, then hold a finger on your canvas to create a perfect circle shape. Tap the transformation tool icon, make sure snapping is enabled, then place it in the center of your canvas. Tap with two fingers on your layer, then reduce the opacity. Use the monoline brush from my lettering brush bundle to create your letter. Create a new layer, then use your brush with a fairly large size. Tap the transformation tool, then place your letter in the center of your canvas. Tap with two fingers on your layer, then reduce the opacity. Now let's add the glitter pattern. First, we will set the size of your glitter brush. Create a new layer. Select this glitter brush from my brush bundle with a white color. And use it along the edge of your letter. When you find the right size, tap the brush size slider and tap the plus button to save the brush size. Then use the brush around all your lettering. Then fill in the rest of the circle. Remove those two layers. Now use this glitter brush to add scattered glitters. Now we will use the bloom effect to add glitters that light up. Go to the Adjustments menu and tap Bloom. Slide to the right to see how the effect applies on your layer. For me, around 15% you can really see the effect. The first setting we are going to adjust is the size. This changes the size effect around each glitter. I would advise you to use a small size. Here 10% seems pretty good. Now let's adjust the burn. This word is borrowed from the photography language. It is when the light is locally too strong. As a result, the area of the image becomes all white. So you can adjust the light strength on your glitter by adjusting this slider. And finally, you may have noticed that some glitters react to the effect and others do not. You need to adjust the transition slider to adjust the number of glitters that respond to the effect. The lower the transition, the more the darker glitters will be taken into account. Now let's choose the colors of your glitters by using a gradient map. Go to the Adjustments menu and tap Gradient Map. You can try out the gradient maps already available. If you want to create your own, tap the plus button. Tap on the black color and select this brown color from my color palette. Tap the white color and select this beige color. Tap here on the gradient and select this purple color. And tap here on the gradient and select this beige color. Tap with your finger on your canvas, then tap Preview to see the difference between the original version and the new one. When you are satisfied, tap the Adjustments icon to apply. To finish preparing the colors, create a new layer on top of your layer, tap on it, then tap on Clipping Mask. If you want to learn more about Clipping Mask, I invite you to watch this video. Grab the soft brush from the airbrushing brush set with the black color and use it in the middle of your canvas. Tap the letter N next to your layer, then choose the Overlay Blend mode and adjust the opacity. For the finishing touches, create a new layer on top, tap the Actions menu, Add, copy canvas, then paste. Go back to the Adjustments menu, tap Sharpen, slide to adjust to around 90%. Go to the Adjustments menu again, tap Chromatic Aberration, slide to adjust to around 2%. Go back to the Adjustments menu one last time, tap Noise, and slide to adjust to 10%. Et voilà! If you find this tutorial helpful, the best thing you can do to support me is to click on the like button and to subscribe to my channel for more lettering tutorials in Procreate. I'd like also to take this opportunity to tell you that I am working on a course called The Glitter Lettering to help you master this effect in Procreate. If you are interested, you can join the waiting list through the link in the description to know when it will be available. So, until the next one, bonsoir!